Yeah. Cheese. So Anna, tell me a story.
Well, Anna, let's tell Papa all about what we're reading about, right? Like we're reading, and then there's lots of stuff in our book.
Yeah. What's in your book, Anna?
Book.
Yeah, it's a book. What?
Happy.
What's in the book? Jeez, what do you got in the book? Can you show Papa what do you have in the book? What's in the book?
Well, we have all kinds of.
Can you show me? Where's the
right?
couch?
There's
Oh,
cupcakes.
where are the bananas?
Where are they?
Where's the banana? Cupcakes, that's right. What about... Oh, animals. Where's Pony?
Pony.
No, where's Pony in the picture? Where's Pony?
Over here, there's a pony. Yay!
Pony.
Oh,
Bless you. Bless you. Where's the turtle? Can you show Papa where the turtle is? There's the turtle. Can you show Papa where the kitty cat is? Where's the... No? Yeah, that's the toys. Where are the puppies, Anna? Where are the puppies?
Show Papa. Puppies. What do puppies say?
What do doggies say? Woof, woof. Woof, woof.
Woof.
Boop, boop. Oh. Horsey. Where's the goat, though? Where's the goat? All done?